What we do here is go back.
Hey guys, this is me, Mantra from Random Projects, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really cute squishies. Now, I made them in miniature, but you can make them in any size you want. These are really easy to make and also really fun. Now, you only need a few things to make these. That's why they are so awesome. So, I have some footage of these squishies, so let's take a look at that. Now, let's make it. For this project, you'll need memory foam, scissors, a pencil, and puffy paint. Take your foam, grab a pencil, and sketch out what you're gonna make. Today, I'm gonna be making a green piece, so I'm just gonna be sketching out a circle. It should look something like this, but it matters on what you're making. Take your scissors and cut out a square around your shape. Once you've cut it out, it should look like this. Adjust the width if necessary. I'm going to cut it in half so I can make 2 small peas. So let's cut it in half. Like this. Now, if you are cutting it into 2 pieces, draw another circle or whatever shape you have onto the other piece. It may be hard to see, but I've drawn a little circle. Now it's time to cut. I would suggest if you have a shape with curves around the edges, leave a small gap between the drawing and where you cut it. This way you have extra space to cut different details into it. Cut off little pieces at a time. I would suggest saving these, and maybe you could use these later.
What we do here is go back.
So this is what mine looks like. I left a small border around. Repeat if you have any others. Here is my second piece. I leave my scraps in a bag so I can use these pieces later. It could actually make you another small squishy. Now it's time to shape our little green peas. Now for mine, I'm gonna need to make it round, but it matters on what kind of squishy you have. So these are the ones I've made. Like, for example, your macaroni, if you're making one, would be in a U shape, but your egg would be in kind of a flat circle shape. Your watermelon would be in a triangular shape, and so on and so forth. But for my green peas, I'm going to need a shape which is cylindrical. Like this, it's in the shape of a cylinder. This is my lemon and this is my grape. I would need it something like this. Since they're green peas, I'm going to be using this green puffy paint. Time to paint. I laid down some paper so it doesn't get too messy. Screw off the cap and it's time to paint.
What we do here is
I'm
go
just
back,
applying
back,
a little
back,
bit
back,
and then
back.
spreading it with the nozzle of my puffy paint bottle. So my first one's done. I'm gonna repeat it for the second one. I finished painting them, so now all I have to do is wait a few hours for it to dry. This may take up to a whole day to dry, but usually it doesn't take that long. It matters on what puffy paint you get. So I'm just gonna wait for these to dry and I'll be right back. So I've let these set overnight and they're fully dried now. So let's take a look at them. Now, by the way, it can get a little messy, so I would highly recommend having a piece of paper because sometimes I just checked on it and it had kind of colored the paper, so highly recommend this. So here are the squishies. They're very squishy. Now the puffy paint hasn't really changed the texture of the squishy itself. It's hard to tell that it was foam, but it's still very nice. So here's the other squishy. Now one is slightly bigger than the other. And as far as it goes, it's pretty round. This one is a little more round than the other, but they're still pretty decent and round. Now this is a really fun craft if you're bored and you just want to make something, and they come out really cute. They're really small. Now if you like, you can paint on a face, but I'm leaving it like this because I think it just looks cute and it's realistic kind of. So here they are. If you want to see more squishy videos, please leave a comment down below. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make these DIY mini squishies. These turned out so cute and it was so fun to make. Now, if you want more squishy videos, leave a like and subscribe. Today we're gonna try to get up to 50 likes and I'll make some more squishy videos. This is me, Mantra from Random Projects, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!